Hello guys, I want to show you how you can use the zoom tool. This zoom tool we have here, this is this zoom tool. This is the zoom tool down here. You can select, look at it at this section. If you select this zoom tool, the icon changes. Look at it's showing minus. If you press alternate and hold, it changes to plus. It means that whatever you select, you continue zooming in. If you allow it, you see minus. Leave the alternate, press alternate again, you see it's zooming in. You can see. So from your mouse, anytime you press alternate, it changes to plus, and you click, it will zoom, click, it will zoom, click, it will zoom. And then if you leave it, it change to minus, you click, it goes back and it goes back in. So this is just a simple way how you can use your zoom tool without stress. And then you can still click and hold your mouse like this and move to any position. You drag your mouse, you still drag it like this. You drag to this section, you drag to this section, drag to this section, drag to this section. So this is one simple way in which you can use very well. So we'll continue. Very soon we'll still finish our tutorial on the tools, and then we'll start doing live projects on this. So stay tuned for more.